morning students. Today I am going to revise chapter 3 algebra exercise 3.4 expand. They given us a question is minus b plus 2q plus 3r the whole square. Like this question comes means it formula based is a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here question is written. Compare that question and that formula. In a place you are having is minus b. That means a value is minus b and b value is 2q. C value is 3r. Substitute in our formula. So a square instead of a, here you should write minus b the whole square plus in b place 2q the whole square plus in C place 3r the whole square plus 2 into AB. A value is minus B. B value is 2q plus 2 into BC. B value is 2q. C value is 3r plus 2 into C value 3r. A value is minus B. Next you should simplify this one. Minus B the whole square. So you should multiply minus B into minus B. You will get a plus B square plus here 2q the whole square can be written as 2 square is 4. 2 into 2 is 4 and q square is q square plus 3r the whole square can be written as 9r square. Here plus into minus is minus 2 into 2 is 4pq. First multiply the number, then you multiply the variable. So 4pq, then plus multiply the number 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12. Then you multiply the variable. Q into R is QR. Here plus minus is there. So multiply plus into minus is minus. 2 3s are 6 RP. Next method is if x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus 14x square plus 59x plus 70. Find the values of, here 4 questions they asked, a plus b plus c. Second question is 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Third question a square plus b square plus c square. Fourth question is a by bc plus b by ac plus c by ab. This is a question. Here in this question they given here no x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. This one I am written here. That is in solution and whatever they given that question, here I am written that one. After that, x plus a, for this you are having one formula. That formula is x cube plus a plus b plus c the whole into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. This is formula for this one, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Instead of this, I am writing the formula is equal to, here RHS side whatever it is present, that one I am written here. Then you should equate this one, see this one, compare this both the side. Here x cube, so no need to write. Next you compare the x square term. Here a plus b plus c, in this side it is 14, that is here I am written. So when you compare the x square term, so here I am written that one as a plus b plus c is equal to 14. Next I am comparing that x term. X term is ab plus bc plus ca into x. Here x term is 59x. So when you compare this one, that is here I am written, that can be written as AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 59. Next you compare that constant term. Constant term is ABC, here last term is 70. That is I am written as it is. So compare and write that value. Now I am coming to that question. The first question is a plus b plus c is equal to 14. How it 14 comes in? When you compare in that place itself, you got the first answer. That is I am written here. Second question is what? 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Here, see this denominator. You should take LCM for this. When you take LCM for a, b, c, you will get that same when you multiply a, b, c. Here, see that numerator. In the numerator, you are having 1. In the denominator is a. LCM is a, b, c. So, missing is b, c. What variable we can multiply with a, you will get ABC. It is BC. Here already A is there. So missing is BC. So I am multiplying with BC in the numerator. Here numerator you having 1. So multiply with BC, you will get BC. Here When you see the second term here, denominator is b. So multiply with AC. 1 into AC is AC. Here I am written that order as CA. Plus, here see that denominator is C. What is the missing variable is AB. That is multiply with 1. You will get AB. Here I am arranging that one and written AB plus BC plus CA divided by ABC. We already compare and find that value, no? What is the value for AB plus BC plus CA is 59. That is here I am written 59. Then ABC value is 70 here written. Therefore, our answer for second one is 59 by 70. Third question is a square plus b square plus c square. They ask this question. We are having formula here. What is that formula is a plus b plus c the whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. This is formula for a square plus b square plus c square. So you write the formula here. We already find that one a plus b plus c is compared we find no, that is answer is 14. So here I am written that 14 square minus 2 into this also we compare and find that value is 59. I am written it is 59. 14 square means 14 into 14 is 196 minus 2 into 59 is 180. When you subtract you will get 78. Fourth question is a by bc plus b by ac plus c by ab. When you take LCM for these three denominator you will get ABC. So LCM is ABC. Come to that first denominator BC. What is that missing? A. So A is should be multiplied in the numerator. Already one A is there. When you multiply another A you will get A square. Plus here come to that second denominator is AC. Missing variable is B. So multiply with B on the numerator. Numerator we are having B already. So B into B is B square. Plus come to the third denominator AB. Missing variable is C. So C into C is C square. Here see this one a square plus b square plus c square is there. We know that answer is the third question is a square plus b square plus c square. For that answer is 78. So I am substituting here it is 78 divided by ABC value is 70. When you cancel in two table you will get 78 is 39. Here 70 when you cancel you will get 35. So answer is 39 by 35. Another method is find 27a cube plus 64b cube if 3a plus 4b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 2. This is question. Solution, the given, what is the condition is given, that one here I am written. The given is 3a plus 4b is equal to 10, ab value is 2. That is I am written. The question here I am written. Find 27a cube plus 64b cube. 27 and 64 is a cube number. So that can be written as a 3a cube is there, no? So 3a the whole cube. When you multiply here 3 into 3 into 3 you will get 27. So instead of 27 is 3a the whole cube plus likewise the same thing 64 also cube number. So that can be written as 4b the whole cube. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. B cube is the whole power 3 I am written. Now it is format this one is x cube plus y cube formula. That formula is here I am written. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. When you compare this question and that formula, in x plus you are having 3a. That means x value is 3a. Y value is 4b. Substitute like the formula. Here x plus y. So 3a plus 4b the whole cube minus 3 into x value is 3a. Y value is 4b into x plus y is 3a plus 4b. Here see this one 3a plus 4b. That in the question the given is 3a plus 4b value is 10. So I substituted here 10 cube minus multiply the number 3 into 3 is 9. 9 4s are 36. Multiply the variable ab. Here you know this value. This value is 10. Instead of 3a plus 4b is 10 I am written. Next 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000 minus 36 into instead of AB is they given here. In the question AB value is 2. So I substituted here 2 into 10. Then 1000 minus 36 into 2 is 72. 72 into 10 is 720. When you subtract this one you will get 280. Find x cube minus y cube if x minus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 14. This is a given. A solution that given us I am written here. Then what is this formula is? It is a direct formula. Our question is x cube minus y cube. This is a formula. So that I am written that formula is x minus y the whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. This equal to x minus y. The value is given in that question is 5. Instead of this, I am writing 5 cube plus 3 into xy value is 14. Here I have substituted 14 into x minus y is 5. 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5 is 125 plus multiply this one 3 into 14 into 5 is 210. Here add this one, you will get 335. Next question, if a plus 1 by a is equal to 6, then find the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. The given us now question is a plus 1 by a is equal to 6. The question is a cube plus 1 by a cube. This formula is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. In x place you are having that question is a. In y place you are having is 1 by a. According to this you substitute in our formula x plus y. So a plus y value is 1 by a the whole cube minus 3 into x value is a into y value is 1 by a into the same thing a plus 1 by a. Here they given in our question a plus 1 by a value is 6. So I substituted 6 cube minus 3. Here a into 1 by a get cancelled. So remaining part you will have this one. For this value is 6. 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6 is 216 minus 3 into 6 is 18. You subtract this one, you will get 198. Next question, 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 25z squared plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20xz. The question is factorize. According to this question, the formula is based is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. See the question and that formula. So here a square is this one, b square. So according to that I am changing. Compare this formula and that question. So in a place this is a square number. So that can be written as 2x the whole square. So a value is 2x. Then come to that b. B value is 9 is a square number. So what is that one? 3y. So b value is 3y. Then 25z square, compare this one, it is also square number, c value is 5z. So you find that one, a value, b value, c value. According to this formula you substitute here. So a value 2x the whole square plus b value 3y the whole square plus c value 5z the whole square plus 2 into a value, b value substitute here. Then plus 2 into likewise b value, c value plus 2 into c value, a value. Okay. Now multiply and see that you will get that question. See here 2x the whole square, that is 4x square plus 3y the whole square, that is 9y square plus 5z the whole square is 25z square. Here multiply this one. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12 xy. In the question you are having a 12 xy. Next one. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30 yz. Here you are having that question. Come to the next. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20 xz. In the question you are having now. So how you should convert this one is a plus b plus c the whole square. You know that a value, b value, c value. Substitute here. A value is 2x plus b value is 3y plus c value is 5z the whole square. Next question, factorize 8x cube plus 125y cube. So formula for this is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Compare this formula and that question. 8 and 125 is a cube number. So according to that you change that one as 8x cube is 2x the whole cube. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Likewise plus 125 can be written as 5y the whole cube. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. According to this formula substitute here. See this one, x value is 2x, y value is 5y. So in formula I am substituting x plus y is 2x plus 5y into x square. So x value is 2x the whole square minus xy is 2x into y value is 5y plus y value is 5y the whole square. Expand this one. This can be written as it is 2x plus 5y 2x the whole square can be written as 4x square minus 2 into 5 is 10xy plus 5y the whole square can be written as 25y square. Next one, 27x cube minus 8y cube. This formula is x cube minus y cube. So x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. This is 2 cube number, so that one you change that one. 27x cube is 3x the whole cube minus 8y cube can be written as 2y the whole cube. According to this formula, you write it as, this is x minus y is 3x minus 2y into 3x the whole square plus x value is 3x, y value is 2y plus 2y the whole square. 3x minus 2y into 3x the whole square can be written as 9x square plus 3 2s are 6xy plus 2y the whole square is 4y square. Next question is x cube plus 8y cube plus 6xy minus 1. For this question, formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Compare this question. Here it is a cube. The 8y cube is, it is also cube. Here see this one, it is not a cube. So one is a cube. So this one is, I am arranging this one. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is x cube. 8y cube. Here instead of 6xy is, I am writing a first one as minus 1. So we can write this one as a cube number. So I am writing here plus at last I am writing as 6xy. Compare this formula and that question. What is the a value? A value is x. B value is 2y. It is a cube number. So 2y. C value is minus 1. Okay. That can be written as a value x cube plus b value is 2y the whole cube plus then c value is minus 1 the whole cube minus 3abc, 3 into a value x, b value 2y, c value is minus 1. After that only I am expanding that formula. Answer formula is what is a plus b plus c. So a value x plus 2y minus 1. This is b, this one is c. Into a square x square plus b square, b value is 2y the whole square plus c value is minus 1, no? So minus 1 the whole square. Here formula having minus ab, a value x, b value 2y. In the formula having minus, so b into c. So b value, c value, 2y into minus 1. In the formula is minus ca, c value is minus 1, a value is x. After that you multiply this one, x plus 2y minus 1, this one can be written as the same. Then x square plus 2y the whole square can be written as 4y square plus minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Here minus 2 into xy. Then here minus, another minus is there. So minus into minus plus 2y. Here also the same, minus is there. So minus into minus plus x. So this is the answer for that. Students, do and practice all the sums by chapter wise in your rough note. Prepare well for your half-yearly exam. All the best, students.